said it's silk press season, and they lied. Cause look at my hair. I straightened my hair last week, and it literally started reverting like a few hours after I straightened it. But it is supposed to be cold this week in Houston, Texas, and so but it is supposed to be cold this week in Texas, so I'm going to straighten my hair again. And I know what you guys are thinking. You're going to straighten your hair again after just straightening? What about heat damage? I don't really care. Second, I don't think my hair is going to get heat damaged because I don't use heat a lot. And I genuinely believe if you use good products, then you probably won't get heat damage. And if I get heat damage, good. Maybe something different would happen to my hair because it's not like it's getting that much longer. So yeah. So I am going to be straightening my hair because the weather is supposed to be a little bit colder. So I'm hoping in my head that it will make my silk press last a little longer. I did just straighten my hair last week, and I'm washing it next week. I'm not necessarily worried too much about heat damage, but my hair is already starting to revert. So that's why I'm not really worried too much, but just for extra protection, I am gonna do this Olaplex treatment first. But then I'm going to wash my hair. And I really like the products that I use, and I mainly had straightened my hair last week to just trim my hair. And I know I said I wasn't going to be trimming my hair on my own, but it has been a process trying to find a stylist, because I am looking for a stylist that's like can do everything. Like when I don't feel like doing my hair, I can go to them and just get my hair done by them with a twist out and stuff like that. But then also somebody that I can go to for routine trims, and these prices are absolutely ridiculous. But my hair could not be trimmed, so I straightened my hair to give myself a trim until I just want to take my time finding somebody. I don't want to rush. I just want to, research, read reviews, check their social media pages. And then once I find somebody that I feel like I'm going to be comfortable enough to go to, then I'll do that. But I will link the video that I followed for this trim. And honestly, it was such a good video. And you guys know I've been trimming my hair on my own for the longest. So I don't mind cutting what needs to be cut off on my own. And I think one of the main things that I just need to do this year is just get a routine trim. And I'm not talking about like every 6 months. I think I am going to, I need to get rid of these split ends. And so I think I'm going to be trimming my hair like every 8 to 10 weeks until they're gone. So my hair might stay the same length for the next 6 months or so-ish, but at least my hair will be, so yeah. Okay, and so I'm then going to shampoo my hair with the Paul Mitchell Shampoo 2. This is a clarifying shampoo. I just want to make sure I get all this buildup and stuff out before I shampoo my hair. And then I'm probably going to go in 2 times with this shampoo. And then I'm going to follow up with the Mizani Moisture Fusion Shampoo. This is going to kind of act as my smoothing shampoo. But it's also going to get moisture back in my hair from this clarifying shampoo. And I do this combination even when I'm not shampooing my hair. For deep conditioner, I'm still trying to decide which deep conditioner I want to use. I don't know if I want to use the Joy-Coy Hydrator Intense Treatment or the Mizani Fusion Deep Treatment Intense Moisture Mask. Both of these are really good for when I'm straightening my hair. But this one also, in ingredients, it has like keratin treatment and stuff, and hydrogen spot, which I feel like will be good for straightening my hair. So I don't know yet. I'll see how my hair feels once I shampoo it out. I'm not going to do the shampoo, shower stuff part, deep conditioner all on camera. You guys know what's up when it comes to that. We're just going to get straight into the straight. I have shampooed my hair, and now we're going to get into the blow drying. So I'm going to, essentially I'm going to end up putting 4 products in my hair. I'm going to use the Mazzani 2 and 4 Miracle leave-in. Because I have type 4 hair and this is not going to be enough to keep my hair moisturized, I'm also going to go in with their 25 Miracle Cream. And I will link the video where stylist was using these products, and that's where I got most of these products from. And then I'm going to go in. I'm trying to debate, do I need to go in with this, if I'm going to use this. And I know you're supposed to use this by itself and only by itself, but this is supposed to be like a amazing humidity proof product that's been going around on the internet. So we gonna test this out up in Houston, baby. And this is supposed to be like this amazing humidity product. We gonna test this out because Texas, yeah, this is probably one of the best states next to Florida to test this out in. And then the Palm Mitchell, I've always used this to straighten my hair. So we're going to use that. Don't think it's going to weigh my hair down or anything like that. So we are going to get some more clips because we need to section. And I'm going to put my hair in as many sections as I need to so that I can like work with my hair. You guys know my hair is thick and dense. And so just doing 4 sections is not going to be enough. So we're going to split. I'm going to split these 2, and then I'm going to end up splitting this part in 2. And then honestly, for this part, it's just going to be like putting the products in and then start blowing drying my hair. And so that I can work better and faster, I'm going to put on some music. And we're just going to get into it. It's a jam session at this point. And you know, when you're like rinsing your hair out. Oh, when I deep conditioned, I did steam when I deep conditioned. Just because I wanted to make sure those products penetrated. And then when I rinsed the products out, I did make sure that I thoroughly rinsed these products out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go apply these products. I'm gonna list the order I applied these products down below in the description box. so this is my hair after flat ironing. It's been the next day. My camera died and all I did was just finish flat ironing my hair, and then I put a little bit of this Olaplex #7 bonding oil in my hair and just wrapped it. And don't say that I do not love you guys, because the only reason I'm unwrapping my hair right now is to film the end of this video. I think I don't really like my hair straight, so I do think I'm going to put some curls in it and then just pin curl it to wrap it. I just feel like my hair is at a length where bone straight, it doesn't do it for me. Also, I feel like bone straight makes it sit on my clothes, which causes breakage. And you guys know I've been trying to get past this length for the longest. And I think what I need to do is up my trims. The good thing is I had started trimming my hair, because you guys know that was something I probably didn't do as much as I should have. But I did start trimming my hair, but I would trim it like every 5-ish months, give or take, probably longer. And I have split ends that kind of have traveled all the way up through my hair. And I also need to take a break from braids, because I also noticed some breakage in some spots, like here at the top. So I'm going to take a break from braids, even though I just don't like doing my hair right now. And I'm going to start trimming my hair every, I think I put 10 weeks in my calendar, so that so my next trim I'm going to do in January. I put it for January 10th, I believe. Or maybe like January 15th. Yes, January 15th. So that's what I'm going to do. But nice to meet you. See, I just feel like my hair is just, see how it's at right here where it like runs. Let's take this out, even though it's cold. Even though it's cold. And I'm just gonna put a little bit more of this in here. It's supposed to help lay flyaways. So we'll see about that. We'll see about that. But yeah. So this is my hair, and I think that this is the best flat iron that I had. I noticed that humidity plays a big role, and I think because I get cold easily, so you know, sometimes I have my heat on, which will make my hair want to start reverting after I blow dry it. So I cut my cold air on and up, and it's a little bit colder outside, so it helped keep my hair from wanting to revert. Also, I do think that that Revlon blow dryer is a must if you are a type 4 girly. I think that that's a must. But this is my hair. I got rid of that. Like, I trimmed my hair last week, but I felt like I didn't get enough in the back, so I went ahead and trimmed the back as well. So hopefully it looks good in the back. Let's use a 3-way mirror. But we're getting there. We're getting long, guys. We're getting long. But yeah, thanks for watching.